Meaning of equanimity.
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 Equanimity. Equanimity refers to a state of calm and even-mindedness, especially in the face of difficult situations or challenges. It involves maintaining emotional composure and avoiding extreme reactions such as anger or anxiety. The result of cultivating equanimity is the ability to navigate life's ups and downs with a sense of inner peace and balance. This can lead to improved mental and emotional well-being, better decision-making abilities, and enhanced relationships with others. Overall, equanimity can help individuals lead a more fulfilling and harmonious life.